A meteor is a small particle, typically of dust, that is crashing into our atmosphere and burning up at very high altitude. And there's a lot of dust and larger particles, grains of sand and pebbles, that are in the solar system. And they're from leftover debris from the formation of the solar system, they're from asteroids that have crashed together, and they're from comets that are spewing this material. The Perseids are what's known as a meteor shower. That debris that we're encountering is caused by material that's coming off of a comet that is orbiting the sun. Randomly, the Earth encounters this dust to the level of tens of thousands of tons per year, and that material burns up in the atmosphere, and some of them we see as meteors. The orbit of the comet is very narrow, and so it's only a very short time period of the year that the Earth encounters this. But at that time, and in this case in the middle of August, we see an increased number of meteors that all appear to come from one particular location on the sky. The reason why we have the name, the Perseids, the zenith appears to be coming from the constellation Perseus, a Greek mythological figure and one of our constellations. The Perseid meteor shower is particularly noted because at peak, it's been recorded that there have been hundreds of meteors per hour, and that's quite a spectacular show. You're getting multiple meteors per minute, and then the large number of fireballs. Fireballs are slightly larger material coming from the comet in this case, maybe up to the size of a grapefruit, a soccer ball size chunk of material, and that again encounters Earth's atmosphere and burns up. There's more material to burn up as it's going through the atmosphere, and so we see both a brighter object and we see the burning trail last longer because there's more material there. We're not under attack. Very few, if any, meteors make it to the ground. These small dust particles and even particles that are sand grain size or even small pebbles almost certainly burn up 100% in the atmosphere. And they're burning up at very high altitudes, 50, 60 miles above the Earth. Understanding what a meteor is, that it's a particle from the solar system that's been, orbiting the sun for eons and is unfortunate enough to crash into the Earth and burn up, gives us a little bit of pleasure of something that's neat, right? But I think more fundamentally, as an astrophysicist, I think that anything that makes people look up and feel connected to the universe is vital and important. And even more so if going out and seeing this spectacular natural phenomenon causes someone to become interested in astronomy and science. I think that's what it's all about, and so I think that's the importance of these sorts of events.